2019 KZ Durango half ton. This is a 250 RES rear entertainment model. So this is a new line for us here at Collier RV. We're extremely excited about it. KZ, we've always heard about their great quality, and I think you'll notice if you come and take a look at this, just the upgraded fit and finish and some of the added features that they do. So you have the polar white exterior. On the front cap you will have some integrated lights. Now this is the half ton series, so this would be a little lighter weight of a model, just under 7,300 pounds. But even with the lighter weight, they're doing a really good job of insulation. These are 2-inch thick sidewalls, so an R11. You have insulated baggage doors. You will have a climate package, so heated and enclosed and insulated underneath. The awning is a new style, which I think you'll start to see. So the controls are actually not inside the trailer. They're right here on the awning arm, so you can actually watch your awning go out as opposed to kind of being stuck inside and hoping your awning's not hitting anything. So full pass through here. This is a 5-inch tongue groove plywood floor, so you know, a couple different ways to do a floor, but the plywood usually ends up being very durable, and it's also weight savings versus an OSB floor. So if you look in there, you will see a heat duct. So this whole compartment is heated. Your water lines are ran through the floor. You'll see them up by the aluminum framing there. Alright, outside speakers. They give you the nice solid step and a 4-step, so nice and low to the ground. Big grab handle. You will have an automatic leveling system on here, as well as alloy wheels, Equiflex suspension for nice easy towing. And then a nice big awning. If you notice, that'll go over your storage compartment, and then obviously over your door and your rear window. On the back, this is a nice feature for Durango. You know, a lot of fifth wheels are giving you a hitch now, hitch receiver for bike racks and different things. Well, they take this one step further, so you have a 3,000 pound hitch rated for 300 pounds of tongue weight, but then you have a 4-pin connector. So if you had a little trailer, motorcycle trailer, a little boat, something that had lights, you could hook this on and have lights. So it just saves some money, saves a couple steps. Big roof ladder up to the roof, and then you are pre-wired for a backup camera. So I'll take a quick walk around this side of the trailer. Nice deep slide outs. So just wanted to show a couple things. So you do have the magnetic holdbacks, and then if you shut this door, slam latch style baggage doors. Alright, here's your water hookups. So city water, black tank flush. The nice thing, they give you these instructions here for how to winterize. It's basically an A and B valve, so they tell you, you know, which direction these valves have to be set for various functions. Outside shower hookup right there, cable satellite, some electrical outlets, and then they cut out this little access panel. So in here is your water pump, your water heater, so winterization and all that good stuff should be nice and easy. Auto level controls right here, so you can see your truck while you're hitching up. But yeah, this is a Lamelux fiberglass, so it's just got a real nice shine to it. Couple other things. So you will have the climate package, which is the heated, enclosed, insulated tanks. And then you will have a true 2-year warranty on here, so pretty nice. It seems like them and Jayco are the only ones really doing a 2-year right now. Everybody else, industry standard, would be a 1-year. But if you check this out, you know, the fit and finish, woodwork, really just fantastic. This trailer came in nice and clean on the check-in. You know, sometimes the trailer comes in, we have to make a page-long list of things to be fixed. This just came in excellent shape. So you have the Furrion oven, so that has the cool lights in the knobs. And then you can also auto-ignite the oven as opposed to having to strike it. But just all these big overhead cabinets, a couple windows in the kitchen, seamless countertop, the farmhouse sink with the upgraded high-rise sprayer. They gave you a spot for a trash can, which is pretty unusual these days. You have the nice big fireplace, which will be an electric space heater as well. Nice big TV. Upgraded refrigerator will be an 8 cubic foot. So a majority of RVs now would have a 6 cubic gas and electric. This is an 8 cubic, so just a little extra space. Bring a little more food. On the dinette, underneath those panels, both open, so you'll have some long storage. That's a tri-fold couch, so it's actually a really comfortable couch if you sit in it. But if you need to make it into a bed, you can get 2 people there. And you could, in a pinch, get somebody on the dinette, so this would sleep 5. But this would be primarily designed as a couples unit. Give you the nice grab handle here. Bathroom, again, exceptional amount of storage. Towel rack, porcelain toilet. You will have heat and air conditioning, as well as an upgraded fan in the bathroom. Going into the bedroom, walk around queen bed. Nice big wardrobes on both sides. You will have the upgraded headboard, which also gives you a little bit of space for CPAPs and tablets and phones and all that good stuff, with outlets on both sides and USB chargers. On the other side here, they added these nice 3 big deep drawers. So just some extra clothes and towel storage, which is really nice because these overhead cabinets, these overhead wardrobes can only do so much. So I just want to point out you do have a vent in the bedroom as well. So this is a 2019 KZ Durango 250 RES. This is for sale at Collier RV. If you wanted to come see this, or if you had any questions, give us a call, 815-332-3322, or give me a call direct. I'm Chris, 815-985-1691. Thank you for watching.